In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp with consulting clients, enhancing your workflow and improving client interactions. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the search engine of your choice. In the search bar, type Consulting Service Template ClickUp. This will help you find the specific template designed for consulting services within ClickUp, making your projects more organized and efficient. Once you've hit enter, you should see a list of results. Take a moment to look through them and find the one that relates directly to the consulting service template on ClickUp. This is an excellent resource that you can use to structure your projects more effectively. Tailor-made for consultants like yourself who need to manage various client engagements and tasks. Upon locating the correct result, go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to the ClickUp template you're looking for. You'll notice that ClickUp has a user-friendly interface that simplifies the project management process, which is fantastic when dealing with multiple clients and needing to keep everything streamlined. Now that you've reached the templates page, you'll see more detailed information about it. This typically includes a brief overview of how the template works and what you can expect once you implement it. Feel free to read through the description to familiarize yourself with the specific features tailored for consulting services. This is particularly useful as it gives you insights into how to best utilize the template for maximum efficiency and productivity in your specific consulting scenarios. The next step is the most crucial one. You'll want to click on Use Template to start integrating it into your own ClickUp space. Doing so will allow you to adopt the pre-configured structure, tasks, and workflows that come along with it, enabling you to immediately start managing your consulting projects and clients more effectively. This part is smooth and practically seamless, making it easy to get started right away without needing to build everything from scratch. Remember, the power of using a template like this lies in its ability to save you time and effort while ensuring consistency in how you manage your consulting engagements. It provides a solid foundation upon which you can customize and expand based on your unique requirements. By utilizing this handy template, you can direct more focus towards what really matters, delivering exceptional service and results to your clients. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to integrate ClickUp into your consulting practices using a ready-made template designed for your needs. I hope this helps streamline your workflow and enhances your capabilities as a consultant. Thank you for tuning in and happy consulting.